Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So on the gold, we have some positive moments and the things that still we have to consider, because that is the source of the risk for us. From the positive moments, you can see that our entry setup has worked just perfectly. So market has shown the great rally right from the point that we have specified in the weekly report. So at the same time, market right now stands at the resistance, and it shows reaction on this level that is not really very supportive to the market, at least in the short term. We're not dared to suggest that market definitely will fail here around, but at least we can't exclude this. And in general, if you'll take a look at the daily chart, just a few minutes ago we talked about the euro currency. On the gold market is a bit different shape of the picture, but tools that we see on the market mostly the same. So in fact, on the gold market we have the bearish momentum on the higher time frames, especially on the weekly. And this action that we are trading right now to the upside is just a reaction on the strong support, because as we said, market is oversold on the daily and weekly. On the weekly it also stands on the confidence support, so you can see these markings, weekly car area. And this is the confidence support. And odds worth suggesting that pullback should happen, but actually it is done. So the pullback has happened, and it has completed minimal targets, and currently we need to estimate whether market will proceed higher or the retracement is over and we should be ready to the downside continuation. Theoretically, we can't exclude this upward continuation because we stand at the weekly support area, at weekly oversold, and when you stand at the oversold on the higher time frames, reaction on the lower time frames, on the daily for example, it could be more significant. But to confirm that, market has to break the important resistance area, and it should move above this long-lasting historical support resistance line. So you can see this is really important level. So this is approximately 1475, 1480 area. So take a look at support. Here it was breakout, support. Now it will be resistance. Overall upward performance here doesn't look too strong. So it mostly reminds the consolidation of flag pattern is forming. And currently market is also starts flirting with MACD predictor line. If market will close below this line today, in this case we could get the grabber, and that will suggest the taking out of these lows. So that is things that we have to consider, and we can't ignore these moments. On the 4-hour time frame chart, that's actually the pattern that we have talked about as the potential upward continuation if market will decide to move higher. It will be strong enough to move higher and show the stronger reaction on the weekly support area. That was our minimal target that has been reached last week. So recall that 1475, 1473 is the minimal target confidence resistance that we said market has to reach as reaction on the weekly support. Then retracement has started, and we said since this is first upward bounce strong after bearish momentum, we suggest the deeper retracement, the ABCD shape of the pattern, and that was really correct. So you can see ABCD is completed. Market has starting rally right from the point that we have specified. So if you have taken long position here, think about its protection. Overall patterns here stands bullish, so we have the strong bullish engulfing. Market stands close to the top, around the confidence or challenging the confidence again, and currently it's nothing to worry about yet. Indeed, market could show the consolidation, then shows the breakout of this level and proceed higher to our next target, which is 1488, 1490 confidence. But one thing that is a bit worrying me, so we know that this was extension, retracement, that should be extension again. But market stops right at the previous top. Yes, we understand this confidence and resistance, but it's already has been tested. And take a look at the action that market is showing. It shows the wash and rinse of this top. So in other words speaking, stops have been grabbed above this top and market turns to the downside action. Maybe it will be just a retracement of this small stress and rally. So maybe it will be A, B, C, D pattern here formed, minor guarded steeple to buy will be formed, and market will continue to move higher. That's also possible. But also we can't exclude that market could fail here, because don't forget that overall performance on the daily looks gradual. It's nothing really acceleration, nothing really outstanding stands on the market. Market stands at the resistance. Maybe grabber will be formed. So we need to keep in mind these moments. That being said, if you have taken the long position here, as we suggested, it's time to think about its protection. At least if you do not want to fix the profit partially at this moment, calculate the ABCD down, some support. Keep an eye on this level and move your stop somewhere below this level. Because if market starts dropping or raising this rally, that will be a very negative sign which suggests that market really could turn down again. That's the thing that I would like to warn you about in the current situation. Currently, everything looks nice. So great rally, good patterns, market still stands in a tight range below the confidence. Currently, it's nothing to worry about, but it's only will happen if market will stay in this consolidation. But I somehow suggest that it will be at least this kind of retracement somewhere to 1466. Ultimately, market could turn down again, because this price action, when the market stands on after so strong rally, and it should be continuation of this leg, showing what Washington's here of this top and starts dropping again, this is not good sign for the market. So we just would like to warn you and call you to make some steps in management of the stop, management on your risk on this position if you have taken any, or if you have longs, since from these lows it's also something to think about. That's our view on the gold right now. Everything is good by far, but here we have some signs to worry about.